Today, I want to talk about the mission of Chim Baptist Churches USA in Myanmar. First, I would like to present about Chim for Christ in 1 century, in the bracket CCOC. Before the Chim Baptist Churches USA had a great mission project called International Chim Baptist Mission. On July 13, inaugurated on July 13, 2013, Zomi Baptist Convention, the current Chim Baptist Convention, formed in Chin State, had Chim for Christ in 1 century program since 1983. Its goal was to evangelize all Chin in the South and the North and become Christians. Before 1999, the 100th anniversary of the beginning of Christianity in Chin State by the American Baptist missionary couple, Reverend Arthur Carson and Mrs. Laura Carson, who arrived at Hakka, Chin State on March 15, 1899. Chim Baptist Convention has started this mission by faith. They estimated just 300,000 equal $500 per year. Therefore, they began with fundraising among the sending Chim Baptist churches soon after sending missionaries to their mission field. Zomi Baptist Convention planned to send 100 missionaries yearly to the southern Chins in Palewa, Kanplet, Mindat, and Kaikot Housing. They did as they planned it in the first 2 years. As a result, they won 2,583 new souls, including 650 new converts from Buddhists in the first years, and 1,502 new souls in the second years. The Chin Christians were revived in mission and evangelism, and many young Chins committed their lives to Christ and his beloved Chins. In the third year, in 1985, 176 Chins applied for missionaries, over the limit of numbers requested by the Zomi Baptist Convention. It took a lot of work to select 100 ambassadors from 176 applicants. They sent them all to the mission field. They won 2,368 new souls. The harvest was great by the guidance of the Holy Spirit. 7 Chin missionaries gave their life for Christ and his mission. The news of their death spread in his light. The fire burning on the mountain, energizing this mission. The mission was significantly growing every year. However, in 1988, there was a political uprising in the whole of Burma. It was interrupted by the army, saying it was not unsafe. It was unsafe for everyone traveling and teaching the gospel anywhere. The leaders of Zomi Baptist Convention changed mission strategies during this year to 1999, when the Chin Christian Centenary was to be celebrated. As planned, the 100th anniversary of Christianity in Chin State was celebrated in all towns and villages in the Chin State and the Chin inhabited cities in Burma, in Washington, D.C. too. Chim Baptist Convention discontinued this successful mission program after 1999. It was a regrettable decision made by the leader of Zomi Baptist Convention. This is the first chapter. And then I will talk about International Chim Baptist Mission later. Thank you.